Yes, action.
Recording?
Yes, recording.
All right. Today we are building a fort from these bottles I bought from different stores. Yeah. This is my masterpiece. This will be my masterpiece. But it's for a challenge that I have failed. It's the water challenge, 2 liters every day. And I think there's only 24 here. And 2 of them are from from the person recording. And this one won't stay, but I thought it would be cool to make a fort out of them. So I did 22 out of maybe like 30-ish days. What day is it today? April.
I think it's the 8th?
Yeah, April 8th. So I'm pretty sure I dated the video that I announced the challenge. So however many days that is, I wasn't very strict with it. Now everything's falling. Maybe it's this floor, not the caps. Because I used to have the fort over there. Anyways, I've been stuck on this part for a while, so let's change the strategy. Okay. Uh-oh. There's too much space. Okay. I'm gonna have to push everything over. But anyways, I think honestly 2 liters of water is quite a lot if you don't exercise. So that's why I had trouble, because I didn't exercise consistently recently. But I still think it's good to drink a lot of water in the morning. It helps you wake up and it feels beneficial in a lot of ways. Honestly, this was so much easier back then, before it fell. Back then. Yeah, now everything's like imbalanced. How did I do it back then? 7-Eleven.
Hey.
7-Eleven. Oh, it's looking good, actually, right?
Actually, yeah.
You want to
really
do
good.
maybe like a view that's a bit more no angle?
Yes.
Like from here, maybe?
Yeah, let's try.
Almost done.
Yes.
Alright, nice. And then Family Mart.
The goat.
Family Mart.
Family Mart for the win.
Hey, how did you balance this? It's so unstable.
Pretty bad, huh? I'm not a master like you. This fort.
And then the 2 random bottles you gave me.
A bit.
This is the fort I thought up. Based on 24 days, so I plan to fail. It's all part of the plan.
Beautiful.
It's slightly slanted, but ignore that. Just how things are sometimes. I'm very proud of this, actually. How does it look? Be honest.
I actually really, I'm trying to focus on the shot too. I think it's really cool. I think the top is slant, like that's the only part, but like
So,
when you said a fort, this is pretty cool.
yeah, it's like a castle.
Yeah.
50.
And I also like the story behind it, of like that you drunk all of these waters, and then you made something out of it.
Well, actually, you drank 2 of them.
Well, okay, but the other ones.
Yeah. Actually, to be fair, for the challenge of drinking 2 liters of a day, whenever I go into a restaurant, like for instance today, I drank 750 milliliters, right? My entire bottle.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I've gone out to eat a lot, so...
Right.
And I never keep track of like the water I drink at restaurants and stuff. I just keep track of this. So, yeah. What can you do? Because I'm not gonna like keep track of how much water I drink at a restaurant. That's just it's ridiculous. Like I like challenging myself, but like I'm not gonna go out of my way to do something that hassle, like that much of a hassle, you know. Yeah. The slant is gonna be there. There's no way to fix it.
Are those the bottles that I gave you?
Yeah, it's your fault.
Damn.
All your fault.
Your bottles are more perfect.
How about that?
Okay. Yeah.
A little bit less slanty.
A lot less slanty, actually.
Yeah.
Feels complete. What do you think?
I think the work you did here is a little shoddy.
Right, I did do that part. Huh? Am I ruining your fort?
That's okay. I'm gonna take a photo of it and call it a day.
Wait.
It looks so bare because of the wall. If I wanted a table, oh my gosh, this is 1/800 shutter speed right now. Hold on.
180 shutter speed.
I need to move my mic. Sorry, Mike. Didn't mean to touch you with my foot. Okay. My foot. It's beautiful. Right, let's take a proper photo inside of this video. The lighting is kind of yabai. Let's get blue light.
Ooh. You want me to hold the light or?
The other one's okay.
Whoa. Whoa. Wait. That's actually so cool though. Whoa.
The shadows, right?
Yeah. You made some like fine art.
This is modern art, guys. Oh my gosh, it is pretty cool actually.
Right?
You can't really tell what it is, like on this camera.
Mm.
But it is pretty dope. Maybe if we turn up the light, but just slightly. So. With that, maybe. Not quite right. Not as good. But actually, seeing the shadows of each bottle is kind of cool.
Mm.
What do you think? How do you feel?
Ooh. Looks cool.
Yeah,
I think so. Let's see too.
There's a slightly different feel to it.
Yeah.
But I do like it when it's like stretched.
I think it's more exaggerated when the lights are off. Well, I don't know. How does it look through your camera? I guess maybe it looks different.
Yeah, I agree. It looks cooler with the lights off.
Kind of reminds me of Disney's castle. A bit. I don't know if that's a stretch, but it's kind of.
Well, I'm actually quite happy with it.
Mm.
Maybe the intensity is a bit too much. Okay. that is the challenge. And I did it all for this, not for the health purposes. All because I wanted to build a fort out of water bottles. Now it's time to recycle all of them. Okay, I think I'm pretty satisfied. Actually, let me fix this shoddy workmanship real quick.
That's
Oh no. It must be perfect.
no.
Don't worry.
Oh.
Well, that's it.
Oh.
Alright. We can close off now.